Emotions. We all have them. They're part of the human experience, a universal language that connects us. Emotions are the body's way of communicating the state of your mental health. They give you information about what you're experiencing and how it's impacting you. Some people are naturally more in touch with their emotions than others. But the good news is that we can all develop greater emotional awareness. Start to tune in to whatever emotion you're feeling. Name that emotion and consider how strongly you're feeling it. And if needed, share with someone you trust, a family member, friend, coworker, or counselor, what you're feeling. As you start to do this, you'll become more aware of different emotions. You'll realize sometimes it's okay. Sometimes it's happy. Sometimes it's sad. Sometimes it's anxious. Sometimes it's frustrating. Sometimes it's calm. Sometimes it's exciting. It's likely you've experienced all these emotions and many others. The more you're aware of your emotions, the more you understand yourself and others, and the better able you are to talk with others, resolve conflicts, and find solutions. So whatever you're feeling, let's talk about it.